Hi, my name is Jamie Kitchen from Danfoss, and today I want to talk to you about solenoid valves and coils. These work in conjunction with each other. What the coil does is it provides a magnetic field that causes the valve to open and close. These valves are used for remote control. The controller will send a signal to this coil. The coil will energize and it will either open or close the valve. When we say a valve is normally closed or normally open, normal means the de-energized state. So if it's normally closed, the valve will open. If it's normally open, the valve will close when the coil is energized. When you're selecting a coil, you select it based on the voltage and voltage type, AC/DC, as well as the size of the core, which goes on the solenoid stem. This closes on top as a snap and holds it in place. On the side here, I want to point out the junction box. This is a typical junction box where you would run your conductors through these openings here with an adapter. We also have what you would call a conduit box, which allows you to bring cable in and attach it in the back here, and it threads in. The valves themselves are selected on the capacity required and the connection size. Be careful that you don't select just on the connection size, because multiple capacity coils will have the same connection size. If the valve is undersized or oversized, both of those can cause problems, either through high pressure drop or they become unreliable if they're oversized, especially if you have a variable speed compressor or your compressor unloads. Please make sure that you size these according to the refrigerant and how much flow goes through them. Thank you. Have a great day. And for more information, please visit danfoss.us.